Hello, Jessie. Good evening.
Chica.
Good evening, Jessie, and welcome again to our class for today. How are you today? How are you?
Good.
You're good. Wow, that's very good to know. And did you already eat your dinner?
Yeah.
Yes. What did you eat for dinner?
I eat fish.
Fish? Fish?
Be
Fish?
fish. Be fish. Be
Huh?
fish.
Beef fish?
Yes.
Oh,
Fish.
fish. Did you also eat rice?
Yes. I eat rice.
Yes. Wow, that's very good. Okay. So now are
What
you
did you
ready?
eat? What did you eat?
What did teacher eat? I eat chicken and rice and also fish and egg. Yes, that's my dinner for today. So fish, rice, chicken, and egg. That's a lot.
So many.
So many, yes. Teacher is a big eater. That's why I eat a lot of food.
Mhm.
Okay, so now,
I eat vegetable too.
oh,
I eat vegetable too.
vegetable. Wow, you're very good. It's very good to know that you eat vegetable because it's good for our body. So you will be healthy. So very good. What kind of vegetable? Or what is your favorite vegetable?
It's rocken. Rocken. Rocken.
Broccoli? This one?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Let's say broccoli.
Broccoli.
Okay, very good. That's broccoli. Okay. So, wow, that is also my favorite vegetable because broccoli somehow tastes like meat and it's very delicious. Okay, so now let's review the things that we learned last time. Jessie, what are the numbers that we learned last time?
12.
12? Only 12?
12.
Only 12? One. Can you count up to
One,
12? One.
one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, very good. So nice. So 12. So those are the numbers that we had learned last time. So now since you remember all of those numbers, so let's proceed into our activity. So for this activity, we will listen and we will number. So make sure to listen and after that we will number the things that we had listened to. So let me just open the sound. Okay, 41. Oh, it's loading.
Page
Loading. Oh,
24.
can you hear the sound?
B. Listen
Yes.
and number. 1,
4. It's black.
Okay. What is our number one, Jessie?
4.
4. And what color is it?
It's black.
Very good. So we will number 4, number 1. Okay, so next, let's go to number 2.
2,
5. It's green.
Okay, next. What number is our
It's
number 2?
5.
It's 5. What color is it?
It's green.
Green. Okay, perfect. Number 3.
3,
7. It's blue.
Okay, what is our next number?
It's 7.
7. What color is it?
It's blue.
It's blue. Very good. Are you sure it's blue? It's not purple? Its color?
Blue.
Okay, very good. It's blue. So number 4.
4.
10. It's purple.
Okay. What color is our next? What color? What
It
number?
is 10.
It's 10. What color is it?
It's purple.
It's purple. Very good. So 10, it's purple. This will be number 4. 5.
5.
1.
What you write number 4 is 1.
Huh? Oh, that's number 4. Ching. Yeah, number 4. Okay, let's edit that one. Ching. Is it okay now? It's number
Okay.
4. Okay. Number 5.
It's brown.
Oh, what number is number?
1. It's brown.
Oh. What is our
1 is
next?
brown.
Okay, so fast. 1, it's brown. So next,
6.
3. It's pink.
what's for our next number?
6.
What color? Huh?
Orange. Orange. Orange.
Huh? Are you sure? Are you sure it's number 6? Okay, let's listen to it one more time.
6.
3.
It is
It's
orange.
pink.
Yes, it's
6.
3. It's pink.
okay. What is our next number? Is it 6?
Here.
Yes, we are in number 6 already. But what is the number that we have in number 6? It's
Brown.
Where
okay.
is half?
Okay, one more time.
6.
Number 6.
3. It's pink.
6.
3.
3. It's pink.
Okay, very good. So what color is number 3?
It's pink.
It's pink. Okay, so next number 7.
7.
8. It's yellow.
Okay, what is our next number?
It's 8.
8. What color is 8?
It's yellow.
Okay, 8 is yellow. Let's go to number 8.
8.
2. It's blue.
Okay, for number 8, what number do we have?
Let's see. It's 2.
2. What color is it?
It's blue. Baby
It's
blue.
yes, baby blue, because this one's lighter. Very good. Wow, that's so nice. So this one is the lighter shade of blue. So it's baby blue, not blue. This one is the blue one. This one is baby blue or
It's
light
a
blue.
dark blue. It's a dark blue and it's a baby blue.
Dark blue and baby blue. Very good. So next, let's proceed to number 9.
9.
Number 9.
6. It's orange.
What number is our next number?
Orange.
Okay, very good. So 6.
6.
Number
Orange,
9 is
orange,
6. Next,
Six
number 10.
orange.
10.
6 orange.
7. 6.
6.
7.
Okay,
10.
next.
9. It's red.
What's for
9.
number?
It's red.
Okay, very good. So number 10 is 9. And next?
11.
11. It's gray.
What is our next number?
I should take 11.
Yes, 11. What color is 11? What color is it?
It's
Okay,
it's just like
let's listen to it one more time.
11. It's gray.
Huh? What color is 11?
He is.
He
It
said that
look like
he said that it's gray, but do you agree that it's color gray?
no.
No, yes. No, because I can see it. It looks like color pink. Right?
Yes. Right.
The sound is wrong. So it's not color gray. It's not. So it's what color is it?
It's pink.
Okay, very, very good. It's pink. And for the last one,
12,
It's yellow. Color is
It's pink.
it's pink also. Very good. So we have here lighter pink and darker pink. Okay, so now let's take a look if all of the things that we answered are correct. So let's read number 1. What is for number 1?
4 is black.
Okay, for number 2,
5 is green.
number 3,
7 is blue.
7, it's blue. But number 4,
10 is purple.
very good. How about for number 5?
1 is red.
Okay, and for number 6, where is number 6?
think
Wow, you are eating right now?
It's
You're eating?
it's
Three,
pink.
it's pink. Very good. Make sure to drink water, okay? So that you won't choke. Okay, number 7.
It's yellow.
8, it's yellow. Number 8,
2 is blue.
okay. And number 9, where is
It's
number
baby blue.
baby blue? Very good. Number 9, what is number 9?
6 is orange.
6, it's orange. One more time. Let's read
9
9. Okay, one more time. Let's read this word. Let's say 6.
6
6. 6.
Six.
Okay, try to read it like this with S. 6.
Six.
Put an S on the end or at the end. Put an S. 6. 6.
Tick.
Put an S.
Tick.
6. 6.
Tick.
6.
Tick.
Okay, it's okay. We can practice that in our next. So you will, if you pronounce the word 6, make sure to put an S sound at the end, not sick. It's 6. 6. Like the sound of the snakes. 6.
Stick. Stick.
6. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. We can still practice that one. So 6. Okay, so let's proceed to number 10. Number 10.
9 is red.
Okay, and 11.
11 is race.
And the last
12
number.
is pink.
Okay,
Finish.
finish. Very good. So good job. So that activity is very easy. Okay.
No easy.
Yes, it's
No
easy.
easy.
No easy.
No.
It's not
No.
easy. Why?
Yes.
Oh, really? You are able to answer it very, very fast. So it's easy. Okay.
No easy. No
No
easy.
easy.
No easy.
No easy. Okay, so now
No. You
now
have learned one more thing. Just have you learn with me.
huh?
You learn with another friend? Are you just learn with me?
Are you kidding with me? Huh?
No. You you learn with me or you learn with some another friends.
Ah,
You just
oh,
learn with me or you learn another friends.
ah, it's okay. Okay, so now let's move on to our next sentence structure. So we have here an activity, and we will listen first, and after that we will read. Okay.
Page
All right, let's
25.
listen first.
C. Listen and say. Then practice.
Say
I'm 7.
and drugs.
I am.
Okay, so now let's read this sentence pattern.
7.
I'm 7. So when we say I'm, what is I'm? I'm is I am. Ah, okay. Okay. So when we say this one, I'm is short for I am. So we can just yes, we can just say I'm if we think that I am is much longer. So we can just say I'm. So when we say I'm, so we use this word to talk about ourselves. For example, in this in this in this sentence, I'm 7. So that means you are 7 years
7
old.
years old.
No, this is just an example. This is an this
What
is an
are you you how many years? You what? How many years?
have this is just an example. For example, I'm
But
7.
you.
Me, I'm 23. Oh, that's
I
my
am
age.
sick.
What?
Sick.
6.
I am sick. Sick.
Okay. 6.
Sick. And I am a sick.
Okay, very good. So we use this sentence pattern if we want to talk about or we want to say what how old are we? For example, you are 6 years old. You will say I'm 6. So for example, teacher is 23 years old. I will say I'm 23. Okay. Yes. So if
So,
so if someone asks you, Jessie, how old are you? So you can just say I'm 6. Okay?
sick.
Yes,
Okay.
I'm 6. Or you can say also I'm 6 years old. So this is just a sentence pattern so that we can be able to answer how old are you? So you will say I'm 6. Okay, so now let's practice this sentence pattern that we have. So let's listen. So we have here
1, 2,
people.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, we have here 6 people, and they have their own age or how old are they. So let's listen. How old are they? Or we can just do this activity based on the balloon that they have. So let's take a look at this.
I think it's one is 7 years.
Yes, how do we say that when we are using I'm? We will say,
I'm 7.
okay, very good. Number one
7.
is I'm 7. How about number 2? How old is she?
4.
I'm 4. Very good. So I'm 4. How about number 3?
6.
Okay, what is our sentence pattern? I'm
6. I
okay.
said I'm sick. No,
Okay.
I'm sick.
Okay, one more time. Let's say I'm 6. Six.
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 Add
Six.
add a snake sound at the end. Six.
Stick.
Six.
Stick. Stick.
Six.
Stick.
It's
I
okay.
don't
You
know
can.
how to say.
Oh, it's okay. You can practice that one. So let's listen to this one.
Six, 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 six,
Six. Like this. I'm six with S sound at the end. Six.
Sick.
Add letter S at the end. Six.
Sick.
Okay, let's try to practice. Six, six, six.
Stick. Stick. Stick.
Okay, it's okay. So nice try. So good try. So this one, you need to practice saying this word, okay? Six. So practice it with your mom or dad. That is okay. I can see your effort. So next, how about this girl in number 4? What sentence pattern shall we use to introduce her age?
Hey,
Okay,
rather is 8.
very good. I'm
Baby
8.
is 3.
Okay, very good. I'm 8 and I'm 3. Okay. So again, let's say the word 3. 3.
3.
3.
3.
Make sure to put your tongue between your teeth. 3. 3.
3.
Yes, very good. Don't put it too much, like little. 3. 3. Then push it back. 3.
Hurry.
3.
Hurry.
3. So you can still practice that one. Yes, it's okay. So that one, so very good. So let's check all of your answers if they are
Yes.
correct. Okay. So for number
Correct.
1,
Correct.
all of your answers are correct.
It's
So
correct.
I'm 7. So let's read it again. I'm 7.
And 7. And 4. And 6. And 10. And 9. And 3.
What number is this? 8. Okay. I heard I heard I heard you said 9. Okay, so this one is 8. Very good. Good job. Okay.
That's so hard. Very,
That's so
very
hard.
hard.
It's so hard.
Yes, in Vietnam. Yeah,
Okay.
the fact now is very, very, very hot. Hot.
It's very hot, really.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 23. Are you 8? Are you
No,
8?
boy said. The
Oh,
boy
the boy
said.
said. The boy said. Okay, the boy said. How about you, Jessie? How old are you?
7.
I. Hmm? You're 7 now?
I'm 6.
Okay, I'm
I'm
6.
6.
Okay, so again, so we have here the question, how old are you? So we use this question to ask about someone's age or how old are the people. So we answer it like we have earlier. I'm 8. I'm 6. I'm
And
23.
my mother is um 30.
30.
30. 30. 34.
Oh,
And
34.
my dad is 35.
Okay, how do we introduce our dad? I'm
And
how do we
35.
Okay, very good. So if you ask your dad, how old are you? So he will say, I'm 35. If you ask your mom, how old are you? She will say, I'm 34. Okay, so that is how we answer the question. Okay, so now we have here an activity. So based on the candles. Okay, but first, before we do this activity, Jessie, when it's your birthday, do you have a cake?
Yes, I have.
Yes. And y- in your last birthday, did you have 6 candles?
Yes.
Did you have in your last birthday, did you have 6 candles?
No, I
Ah,
have
no.
just
The
have
number?
one.
Ah,
Just
one. The
have one
number.
number.
Number
Look like
6.
six. Not
Oh.
not so many. It's just six.
Ah, okay. Because in other countries, in other places, when it is their birthday, so they base their candles on how old are they. For example, we have here number 1. So let's count how many candles this cake have. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, how many candles? It's
It's 8.
okay. So meaning, so the person who have this cake is 8 years old. So
Mm.
yeah, so that is how they do in other countries. So they base their candles, the number of their candles in their age or how old are they. So this birthday girl or birthday boy, he or she is 8 years old. So what is our
For girl, not boy. It's
yeah,
for girl, not
it's
boy.
it's for girl because it's pink.
No,
Yeah, it's pink and yellow. Okay.
yellow, not
Uh,
pink. It's
uh,
pink.
okay. So for this one, for number 1, how old is this person?
If she is
Ah,
9.
she's 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She's 9. 8. Okay. So the sentence pattern here is I'm 8.
Now,
Okay. How about in our number 2?
teacher,
Yes.
teacher in Vietnam is very hard. I cannot hear
Yeah.
it.
In Philippines also, it's very hot right now. It's very, very hot. I just took a bath and I'm full of sweat because it's very hot. Even if you have an electric fan, it's still very hot. Do you have an
I have
aircon?
a
Do you have an aircon
no.
in your house? We we also we
Yes,
all
yes.
ah you have. Oh, we don't have it here. That is why it's very hot. Yeah. So that is it. So I think it's since it's already month of June, I think it will be rainy season. I think it will be very cold in other countries. Yeah, hopefully it will
Look,
be
in
very cold.
Vietnam, what is hati hati?
It's still hot. Even if it rains, it's still hot in Vietnam.
In
Hmm.
Vietnam cannot raining.
Oh, it's not raining? Really?
Huh? Really?
It's very hot, right? Okay. Okay, so Jessie, so I think it's the end of our time today because teacher will have her next class. So for this one, so we will continue this activity next Friday. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so thank you very much for your time today, Jessie. Truly appreciate your
Bye.
presence. Bye.
Goodbye. Good.
Good.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye bye.